Ever wondered how tapping your phone can pay for your coffee or get you on a train? That's the magic of NFC, or near-field communication, a tech that's changing the way we live. NFC is a short-range, wireless technology that allows devices to exchange data when they're within just 4 centimeters of each other. You've seen it in action with mobile payments, but its uses go far beyond that. NFC is growing everywhere, whether you are catching a train, unlocking a smart home, or paying with your smartwatch. With more businesses adopting it every day, NFC is becoming an essential part of our lives. The future? NFC is set to integrate with blockchain, create personalized payment experiences, and go even further. As we move towards a cashless society, NFC is here to stay. So, is your business ready for the NFC revolution? Let's tap into the future together.